I'm Andy from Warranties. I want to talk to you today about some of our 4100 products. Start with, we have what we call the 4100 Plus unit. So basically what that is a 4100. We go through its stock clutch count. We use the Robustus GBZ clutches in it. We update the forward drum to a 5-pack. And a full spline. Everything else is pretty much stock, except for all the Sonics upgrades, the 45 element Sprag, basically all new internals, and the no walk center support, updated close clutch and all that stuff. We also upgrade that to the triple disc 5R110 converter. So it makes a really stout unit for guys with stock injectors or stage 1 stock nozzles with a stock turbo. Anything bigger than that, we would upgrade to our stock plus, and then we upgrade a Gervin torque converter. Same clutch count throughout the transmission. Also do the full rollerized rear assembly in that one. And that one is good for stage 2 turbo and like 180/30s. You have to be careful with that. You make enough torque, it splits forward drum. For that we upgrade to what we call the performance. Basically still a stock clutch count transmission with a Gervin torque converter, the rollerized lower assembly, and then we do the 7-pack low reverse clutch with the extreme duty cage, reinforced cage in it. And then we add a billet forward drum and a billet input shaft. So that's what I'd recommend for guys like even with stock 160 stock nozzle injectors, stage 1, stage 2 turbos, all the way up to like 180/30s and a stage 2. Then after that, if you go to larger than that, we go to a competition. That's when we go to a full clutch count, also the Gervin converter, the billet input shaft, the billet intermediate shaft, and then also the billet forward drum. And it also has the 7-pack extreme duty low reverse with the reinforced cage and the roller assembly. And that one's good up to, I've tested that one up to 650 wheel horsepower. So that's good for, the high end of the 7.3 guys. And then once getting into the full billet, our standard full billet is good up to, we rate that one to 1,000 horsepower. After that, your chances of breaking intermediate shaft are pretty high. Then we have one more stage, which is called the Monster. It has a big mega center support in it, and a few other mods that we've tested that one up to 2,200 horsepower in several different trucks, and we have a lot of 1,500, 12 and 1,500 horsepower trucks, Cummins and Powerstrokes and 6.4s and 7.3s running that, and really we've had really good luck with that, and a lot of success. I've had trucks out there that have had that transmission up to 7 years now, making well into the 1,500 horsepower range. So I just wanted to let you know we have a lot of different options for 7.3, and give us a call sometime. We'll talk about it, and we'll be happy to help you all guys with whatever you have.